Hello foodie friends, we're back again. I've been gardening all day, but I've come inside to make this mystery risotto. Now, here's a funny little thing. So I didn't notice until after we stopped filming last week that Grandma cut off the rest of the instructions on this. So I'm gonna have to look up another risotto recipe and kind of fake it a little bit, but I think we'll be able to figure this out, so I'm not too worried. But I do know that Grandma, you struck again. So let's go ahead and see how this turns out. Pause here to write down what you'll need to follow along. For this risotto, go ahead and pour your olive oil into a heavy bottomed pot. And while waiting for the oil to heat, in a separate saucepan, go ahead and heat up your stock. Once the oil is hot, you're ready to add your shallots. Cook until soft, add your rice to the olive and onion along with your white wine and cook that down for about 2 minutes. Once the wine has all but cooked out, you're ready to add your stock. Cook until the stock has mostly absorbed into the rice and you have a creamy texture. Now you're going to add your Parmesan to make it even creamier and more aromatic. I ended up having to use frozen asparagus, so I went ahead and cooked mine in the microwave for just a bit. Make sure you cut the asparagus in bite-sized pieces and also chop your prosciutto and go ahead and add both of those to the pot. Don't forget your salt and pepper and you have a perfect meal. Okay, got it done?
Yeah.
I say let's just dig in.
Okay.
Because it smells great.
Really
I
good.
can't wait anymore.
I like it.
Uh-oh.
What? No, it's really good.
Okay.
It's really good. I don't know why. I was expecting more flavor. But
Oh, really?
but it's really hot, to be fair. Like still kind of warm.
Oh yeah, that's
So,
true. Usually when it's
I
like
can't
this
taste
hot,
as
yeah.
much. But it does taste really good.
Yeah. I
What do you
actually really liked it.
Yeah?
I was pleasantly surprised. I mean, I like the prosciutto. I like the texture of it.
Yeah.
I pretty much like everything. And also, I was really impressed by how fast and easy this recipe was.
That's true.
Because I was thinking, oh no, risotto. Like, I've only made one before. I couldn't remember how I made it or how it turned out. For some odd reason, I was thinking risottos are really hard. But I don't know where I got that from. But this was super easy.
Yeah.
Really fast. I mean,
yeah.
you can have dinner on the table like that.
And it's kind of a fancier,
Seemingly
seemingly
it is.
fancy dinner, but it doesn't take a lot of work to do.
Right, just serve it with a salad and you've
Yeah.
got like a really good complete meal that I think anybody would really like.
I mean, it is really creamy. I think it would be really filling.
Yeah,
You know,
definitely.
you don't need a whole lot of it to.
No, not at all. Now, there's only one caveat. I do think it's a little bit, it could be on the expensive side.
That's true.
Because you've got the asparagus, which is always, well, we got frozen, so we kind of cut our costs a little bit. But the prosciutto is always expensive.
Yeah.
Arborio rice. That surprised me at how expensive it was. And the package was only like about, that big. So you're not getting a lot. And then the cheese, Parmesan, that kind of tends to be a little bit pricey. So in terms of cost,
it's a little on the pricey side.
Yeah, it's not the greatest
it's
recipe
something
that
to
we've
do.
ever done.
I think it would be something to do special occasionally, but it's not something you're going to have for dinner all the time.
Oh, no, yeah, this is just special occasion, But in terms of taste and quick and,
good.
Love it. So, you know what? Crazy little clip out. Oh, and by the way, I did actually have to look up this recipe. One version of it is on the internet. So I kind of followed their directions for the last half of this because someone got too scissor happy. So Yeah, so I would think for like just a random little newspaper clipping, this was actually really good. And I'm guessing now I really started looking at the font of this. I'm pretty sure this is the Greenville Sun.
Oh, really?
Yeah, because this is the font that they use. So kudos to Greenville Sun. Years and years ago, you had a really good recipe in your newspaper.
Okay.
So let's go ahead before we get to finish. Let's go ahead and do our random recipe for next week.
All right. I gotta pick a bag.
Yeah, any bag. Not a hard one though. Actually, this was okay.
I don't know what's hard or not. Okay.
Oh, this and that. Okay.
This and that.
So, yeah.
Whatever that means.
I stopped guessing what my grandma meant by stuff like years ago. So
Only she knows.
She had her own system, and that's
apparently her own language.
Yes.
No.
Let's see. Okay, this one just.
Uh-oh.
Oh. Coated walnuts. Wow. Okay, 1 pound of walnuts. Put in skillet and simmer until water is gone. You know what? This is actually okay. You know what? Let's go ahead and do this one.
Okay.
It's really unusual. It's something we've never done on this channel.
It's like a candied walnut.
Yeah, it's not even a dinner. It's just
a snack.
Either that or you could use it for a topping on cakes and desserts and stuff like that. Yeah, so we're going to do something called coated walnuts. And it's like a cinnamon sugar. It looks really good. I'm kind of excited about this one. Okay. I don't recognize the handwriting. I don't think... Okay, there is a name on here. So Grandma must have got this from someone else. I'm thinking that a coworker must have wrote this down for her and she kept it for a long time because this piece of paper is pretty beat up. Yeah. You can tell this is pretty old. So, okay, I'm kind of excited about this one. Yeah, let's just go for it.
Let's do it.
All right, great. So, coated walnuts. It's gonna come next week. Yeah, it's gonna be next week. So thank you for watching this week. Really hope you try this risotto. It's good. Yeah, it's really good. So go ahead and try it and stay tuned for next week because we're gonna be making something kind of odd for us anyway. And I guess we'll just be snacking on walnuts. All right. Next week. All right, we'll see you then. Bye. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button and hit the subscribe button for future videos. In the meantime, here are 2 videos you may enjoy. Thanks for watching.